Hi, this is Anthony, and I'm going to be showing you how to manage products in the new X-Cart. Most of the differences in functionality between the new X-Cart and the older versions are the image functionality with products. You can, of course, manage products under the products pretty much the way you're used to. You can search for products, and you can click on a product and edit the product, and change different settings and so on. You can put a product in any number of categories and change descriptions and prices. Rather than go through all that, the functionality in add a new product is identical to the functionality in modify a product. So let's just add a new product, and I can show you everything there. Okay, so we have our add product page, and the product that we're going to add today, we'll skip the images for the moment, we'll come back to those. Let's add a product called Tony's Quilt. Actually, we have Tony's Magical Forest product, which was for a different client, but let's just call this Tony's Magical Quilt. Okay, and let's give it a description. This is a very special quilt, and that's a short description. And then let's give it a longer description. This is a very special quilt that Tony has custom designed so that it is worth $10 million. If I can sell just one of these, I can retire to Aruba. Okay, and that's all stuff that you know how to do already. There's some meta keywords here. I'd skip those for the moment, but we will be using those later to enhance search engine optimization. We can set a price here, and we'll set the price at I think I have enough zeros there. No, I think I need one more. So we'll set the price at $10 million. And the quantity in stock, we'll have 1,000 in stock. Everything starts with 1,000. Something to note is that you can put a product in a main category. So we'll put this in Christmas quilt patterns. And you can also, by holding down your control key while clicking, you can multiple select other categories that it will appear in, even selecting all categories if you wanted to. And so we'll select, there should be a specials down here someplace. Yes, we'll select the sale category. Okay. We don't need to specify the manufacturer, and of course it is available for sale. If you wanted to add a product but not make it available for sale yet, or if you wanted to disable a product, that you can do that here. Now that's different than it being disabled down here based on inventory. You can specify here how much is in stock. You can tell the shopping cart how many, when to notify you that stock is low. And you can also specify a minimum order quantity. So, if you had to order 2 of something, then you could. I don't think that that applies to you. Let's focus on the images because that's the biggest difference in functionality. The images here that we can upload a large image that's used in the detail view, and then we can turn that into a thumbnail for when you have a listing of products that are displayed together. So let's upload an image to be used. And one thing that I should point out is there's 3 sections here. You can look for a file on the server. You can look for, let me move that down here. You can look for a file on the server. You can look for a file on the local computer, or you can pull an image from the internet by entering its URL. We're going to pick a file from the local computer since that's what you're going to be doing most often. Something I should point out, well, I'll point it out in a moment. So we'll browse for that, and we're on my desktop, and I believe that I have a picture. There it is. It's called Compass Quilt. And we'll go ahead and select that, and we'll click Apply. It's important that you click the Apply associated with the section that you're using. If you click this Apply, it won't work, and if you click this Apply, it won't work. Since we use this middle section, click the middle Apply. And there is our large product. It's 600 by 600. And what we're going to do is generate a thumbnail from it. and it automatically creates a small thumbnail image, and it tells you the size, and that's the size that the system has set those to. At this point, you do have to click Save right here, or else it will not save those. And at that point it saves the images. Now, since we have all of our product info in there, we need to also save our product. So there's actually two saves. Now it goes back to the product, and you'll notice that the menu up here has changed a bit, and there's now an option called Detailed Images. And those are the images that are displayed near the bottom of your product detail view, and those can be of any size that you wish. And so we'll go into Detailed Images, and we'll add a new detailed image by browsing for an image, just like we did before. And we'll select the same image again if we can find it. Should be here someplace. There it is, Compass Quilt. And then we'll click Apply, and there's our image right there. And you'll notice that's the full size of the image. We can put in some text associated with that image, but we don't need to. And we'll upload that image. And now you'll see that product, there's that large detailed view for that product. You can enable or disable that, and you can move it around by setting a position value for it. We can go back to product details now, and you can see that the product has its images. We've put in a big detailed image for it. And what we can do now is we can go to the front, which I don't have open, so I'll put that in. Let's see here. There it is. And we'll go to the front of the shopping cart, and now we can search for well, we could search for that. That's something we have to correct. Okay. We'll just go to Christmas quilt patterns, because we know that we placed it under there, and we'll find it. It probably will be the last product in the category, or near the bottom. There it is, and here's Tony's Magical Quilt, priced at $10 million, because it's very, very special. Notice here it's using the thumbnail view. We can buy it from right here by selecting a quantity and clicking Buy Now. Notice also that customers can add it to their wish list. We can now see details, and it uses a little larger version. That was that second one, that more detailed image. And here's our full description. Shows the SKU that you put in, and here's the price and the quantity. And now here's that large detailed view that's near that's down below. And that's that large one, and you can upload as many detailed images as you want, and it'll just display them in order down here. So you can display close-ups and different versions of that image, or of that product. Also, with this shopping cart that's a little bit new, is notice that there's a printable version. When you click on when you have a detailed view of a product, you can click on a printable version of that page, and it will display. It's a little messy because of the header. Might have to clean that up, but he's going to be changing the design. Neil's going to be changing the design anyway. But this is a printable version that you could print out and hand out at a convention or some kind of marketplace. Okay, we'll go back. And so that's how you manage the images. And I'll show you one last thing here quick. I'm running out of time. That's it for today. So thank you very much. Bye.